Hi, it's Olga and today we'll be making a framed scene card. To start with, I have die cut the two rectangles black and gold with the largest die from Pinpoint Rectangle Layers by Memory Box. Then I'm placing a Waverly Collage by Poppy Stamps on a black layer and die cutting it. It creates a strip of gorgeous negative pattern and it is also expandable, so I'm aligning the die with the pattern and running it through the machine again until I have all the area covered with this pattern. Then I'm going to stick this layer on top of the golden one. If you are interested in the supplies I'm using, they are listed in the description and on my blog. Next I'll be creating an opening in the center with a smaller rectangle from the same set. I have also die cut two thin frames out of gold mirror cardstock. They are matching the inner and outer edge like this. Now with the tacky glue I am attaching thin strips of black craft foam at the back of the larger frame. I've die cut a piece of acetate for the smaller frame and as I don't want it to peek out, I'm using a decorative line of dots as a guide to trim it. And then it's ready to go. To attach the acetate to the frame, I'm using tape adhesive. Then I'm applying adhesive again at the wrong side to attach the strips of foam. Now the golden linings can be attached to the frame. It is not going to be a shaker card. The acetate window is meant to protect the scene inside and to give my project some extra shine. The card base I have created is exactly the size of the frame. This die is called Exquisite Branch Frame. I'm now choosing what part of it I'm going to frame, and then I will trim off the excess. To color the die cut, I'm using brushed corduroy distress ink. I'm going to paint in the leaves with Twisted Citron Distress marker. Now I am attaching the branches right onto the card base. I have cut out this frame out of black foam and I'm sticking it onto the card base as well. Those nest dies are by Memory Box. I've die cut them out of craft cardstock and after shading them a bit with ground espresso, they are ready to be placed inside the frame. The last image is this little bird. I'm going to ink it up with a rusty hinge and vintage photo, and then I will attach it to the card with a foam square. When this scene is ready, I can stick the frame on top, and I'm done. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and if you would like to see more, here are some videos that you might like. Have a fantastic day, and I hope to see you again soon.